Hello, all. Let's continue with the story Theseus and the Minotaur. Before continuing, let me tell the summary. I hope that you may be remembering the story. Long ago, Athens in Greece was ruled by King Pythias. He had a son named as Aegeus. Aegeus met a lovely maiden and fell in love with her. Her name was Athera. She was also intelligent. He was also intelligent. Thus, they married and they also had a son. And by the time Aegeus was called by his father to Athens, and he is living to Athens. Before that, he is digging a pit and he is covering his golden sword as well as embroidered sandals and telling Athera that when our son is able to move this rock, let him come to me. With these things of mine, I will be able to identify him. So thus he is leaving Athens. So the young Theseus was brought by his mother, Athera. So every year she used to take him to the hilltop and he was not able to move the stone. On the 18th birthday, as usual, they came to the hilltop, Athera and her son Theseus, and he is able to move the rock with the help of a strong stick, and he found there a golden sword as well as embroidered sandals. And Athera is telling the secret of their yearly visit, and by coming to know that Aegeus is his father, he is going to meet Aegeus in Athens. While he is going, he had to come across a dense forest. So it's full of wild animals and robbers. So he is overcoming all the obstacles. He killed all the bandits that blocked his path and he is reaching the city. His brave deeds reached the city before he reached there in the city of Athens. By seeing the embroidered sandals and the sword, King Aegeus is able to identify his son. He is embracing his son. He is telling his son that I was waiting for you so many years and this throne is yours, you are my heir. And he is showing the people of that particular palace. He is showing his son to everyone in that palace and he is so happy. Now let's continue with the remaining part. Theseus had been in the palace for a few days when he heard the sound of weeping and wailing from the streets. So, the Theseus was staying in the palace. While staying in the palace, he heard a sound of weeping and wailing. Weeping means crying, wailing means crying with pain, horrible pain. So he heard the sound of weeping and wailing from the streets. So Theseus ran to his father to find out the cause of the trouble. Why these people are crying? What is their trouble? What happened to them? Father, why are the people weeping and wailing? Why they are crying with pain? Asked Theseus. One day there was a fierce battle between Athens and Crete, said Aegeus to his son. We were defeated. So once upon a time we were having a battle between the Athens as well as the Crete. Crete is the largest Greek island of the Mediterranean. So we had a battle. So we were defeated. His father is telling the story to Theseus. The ruler of Crete, King Minos, agreed to give us peace on one condition. So they were defeated terribly, and by the time the ruler of the Crete, King Minos, agreed to give peace on one condition. Every year we have to send him 7 maidens and 7 young men. With this condition only they are leaving the kingdom. Today the messengers have come from King Minos demanding the yearly gift. 7 maidens and 7 young men of the city will be chosen by Lord. So their conditions, they have to meet the condition that was 7 maidens and 7 young men they have to send to the Crete. That's what they are. This is the reason why people are weeping and wailing, my son. So he's telling the conditions and the demands of King Minos to his son Theseus. What happens to these men and maidens we sent? Asked Theseus. And he's asking, okay, we are sending them. What happened to them? King Minos has a terrible monster called Minotaur. He is a fierce and wicked beast. Wicked beast means cruel or acts in an evil way. So King Minos had a terrible monster called Minotaur. He is a fierce and wicked beast, half bull and half man. He lives in a maze near the palace, and every year he eats 7 maidens and 7 young men. So what is the meaning of maze? A network of paths and hedges designed as a puzzle through which one has to find a way. That is the meaning of maze. So this Minotaur lived in a maze. So he eats 7 maidens and 7 young men. Father, I shall be the 7th young man, said Theseus to his father. So since Theseus was a strong man, he was a brave man, he told, let me be the 7th one, my dear father. No, I cannot send you. I cannot send you, my dear son. My son, you are the heir to the throne. If you do not return from Crete, Athens will have no future king. So if I am sending you, you are the future of this throne. How can I send you? So Athens will not have future king, so you should not go. No, I cannot allow you to go, he is telling. And said Aegeus, embracing his son. So Aegeus is not willing to send his son along with them. Aegeus tried to stop his son from going. Aegeus tried his son to going to Crete, but Theseus was determined to go. So Theseus was determined. He took a firm decision. He had to go. Finally, his father was forced to agree to his demand. Finally, his father, Aegeus, agreed according to the Theseus' demand. So here is a word meaning for you. Wailing, crying with pain. Crete, the largest Greek island. Wicked beast, cruel or acts in an evil way. Determine, firmly decide. You can learn the word meaning and also read the complete chapter. Thank you.